Chocolate Peanut Butter Cheesecake Recipe. For the crust use: 1½ cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of granulated stevia or another low-carb granulated sweetener, 2½ ounces of melted butter. For the filling use: 16 ounces of cream cheese, at room temperature, ½ cup of granulated stevia or another low-carb granulated sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of cold heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of powdered gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water. For the decorations use: 1 ounce of melted sugar-free dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon of chopped peanuts. Lightly grease a 9 inches springform pan and line with parchment paper. To make the crust, add the almond flour, cocoa powder, sweetener and melted butter in a food processor and process until a sticky mixture has formed. Press the mixture firmly and evenly against the bottom of the cake pan and refrigerate for 30 minutes. To make the filling, sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water in a microwave-safe bowl. Stir until the gelatin is fully incorporated and let sit for about 5 minutes. Microwave on high for 20 seconds or until the gelatin is dissolved and liquid. Place the cream cheese, vanilla and sweetener in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Mix on medium-low speed until the mixture is creamy. Add the peanut butter and beat until well combined. Scrape down the beater and the sides of the bowl with a spatula, then switch to the whisk attachment. Pour in the heavy cream. Mix at low speed to combine, then increase to high speed and whip until soft peaks form. Reduce the speed to medium and slowly drizzle the warm gelatin into the bowl. Increase the mixer speed to high and beat until the mixture forms firm peaks. Pour the filling over the cake base and smooth with spatula. Refrigerate for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. To serve, take the cheesecake out of the refrigerator. Unmold the cake, drizzle with melted chocolate and decorate with chopped peanuts. Slice and serve this delicious keto dessert. Click the description below for more awesome keto recipes. Cheers!